Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the crochet human hair hairstyle that's trending all over TikTok. I was sent this hair by EayonHair. They sent me 5 packs of their water wave human hair. So that's what I have in my hair. It's in 20 inches and I trimmed the front because why not? Like, I don't like when lengths are all the same length. That's just how I am. So I'll tell you guys what I did and what not to do. So obviously you're supposed to braid your hair in the braid pattern that you want. So for me, I did a leave out here. If you wanted to leave out your hair on the side, you would braid accordingly. But for me, I would recommend you guys braid your hair with a flatter base so that it's just more easier for you to crochet the hair through your hair. I was lucky enough to not have a big bump in my head because I braided my hair down and I didn't braid as neat as I wanted to. So when you are starting, I think it is wise for people to start at the front, but I would recommend you guys do it in a more uniformed way. Like if you're gonna do one braid, you would do one braid, like you'll crochet one braid at a time. For me, I was just going all over the place. Like I was starting here, I was starting here, I was doing the back. Like it was a bit chaotic, and then it got to a point where I'm like, where do I add more hair in, because like it's covered. But then there would be areas that I would forget, and since the hair was covered on top of it, I didn't know. So take it from me, just go in a very organized way when you're crocheting your hair. But other than that, this hair is very lightweight. I do not have no complaints. It does not shed as much as I thought it would because I'm so used to curly hair and shedding, but this hair does not shed as much, okay? But obviously every human hair sheds, but I did a lot to this hair. I am not gonna lie, like I washed it, I dyed it, yeah, I washed and dyed it, but I dyed it like a million different times. Like, cause my hair, my actual hair, my hair is black, like jet black, and I was scared that it's not gonna blend into the hair nicely. So I did dye my hair, and I mean I dyed the weave, and every time I would dye it, I would put it in the light and I'm like, why is it still brown? But I think my eyes were just like playing tricks on me. So I dyed it like 3 different times. Like I did the watercolor method, and then I also did a box dye. Anyways, so that being said, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and yeah, so to the video. Okay guys, so here I'm showing you how I colored my hair. It's a very simple process, and I'm pretty sure a lot of people know how this method works, where you would put boiling water inside of a bin or whatever container you have, and you'll put the semi-permanent hair dye inside and mix it up, and then you'll just add your hair inside of the bin. Usually for me, I just leave it as long as I can so that it's like 100% certainty that it turns black. This is what I usually do for all my weaves and wigs. Okay, so I have all my hair here. It's only 1 1/4 of the second bundle, so this looks really full already. So we'll see how this works, and it definitely looks black. I'm gonna be using the crochet needle that they gave me. So I have my crochet needle. As I said, this is my first time doing this, so I am going to be learning as I go, okay? So yeah, it has a nice little thread here, so this is very cool. And yeah, I'm just gonna see how this works. From what I see in videos, they say to start from the front so that it's not so bulky at the back, I believe. So I'm just gonna be doing that. I'll come closer. They say, I saw videos where they say to start from the front, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm gonna have my needle here. I have the thread. Okay. So I have the first piece there. Okay, so I did about like 5 now, or I don't know. So, and it's getting easier. So what I am doing is putting the needle through my braids, taking the thread, putting it over, and in order for it to latch, I just like, you know, play around with my braid and it latches by itself. I pull it through. Once you see that loop there, then you would take one piece that's out and put it through the loop, and then you just tighten it like that. So that is very simple, very easy. Okay, so I'm almost finished. This is going pretty fast. It's so light and it's so full. And I'm only on my like 3rd bundle, but I think I'm on 2.5 right now. So I'm just gonna keep filling it in until I get all the way to the front, of course. Okay, now I'm gonna take this out. Okay guys, so I actually decided to add one more bundle in. So in total I have like 4 of the bundles of hair. It's very thick. I brushed it out and I kind of fixed, I put the little perm rods inside because I want it to be more natural. Like I don't want to add heat to my hair. We're just gonna try to figure this out. Okay, that's a decent curl. Okay, I'm done blending. So I'm gonna be using, this is an edge this is a braiding gel I use for my braids when I do single braids, but I also use it for my edges. It's not the strongest edge control at all. Like my hair curls up when I use this edge control for my edges, but sometimes it's okay for your edges to be a bit curly. Okay, so this is the hair. I brushed out this hair. I don't like that it's all one length, so I'm just gonna trim it a bit to frame my face.